Hello. As you can see, here is empty. And it's delivery day. I have new couches, new rug, and I'm so excited. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is AICHA. If you are new here, hi, I'm glad you are here. In today's video, we are going to refresh my living room for summer. And if you are watching my channel for the first time, I would love for you to consider subscribing. I always love to see who stays with me here until the end. It really helps my channel out, and I'm so thankful for you guys. As you can see, I love this couch. Try to rearrange everything, and then we get to the fun part, decoration. So I found this blueprint vintage type pillow covers. I can't even talk today. I guess I'm so excited because the vibe I'm going for today is like the Nancy Meyers little bit vibe, some blue, but I don't want too much blue, just a little bit, you know. And to start on this couch, I'll just add an oversized pillow and then one of the blue pillows. And this blanket is the softest blanket I own. It's so soft, it's cozy, it's nice. So another oversized pillow here, and I just add one pillow on that side because sometimes less is more. And I'll add another medium pillow here and one of the blue pillows. So here I have this vintage throw blanket from Amazon. It's gorgeous. This is timeless. You can incorporate this with any kind of decor you do. And I just add in one pillow and that's it. Less is more sometimes. So moving on to my accent chairs, I picked these Lombard pillows from Target. Very cute, very sleek looking, and I love it. So to keep it simple, just add those through over there. And underneath my TV console, again I'll bring in a little bit of blue. See, that's my toddler's work. The very day I brought this from the shop, from the store, he decided to scratch it. And then I'll add another book and this planter from Walmart. And on this side, my LV book. This book is heavy, y'all. And I'll just add another decorative book on that, and that completes the look on this side. Last but not least, the coffee table. How darling is this woven tray? This is a great find from Home Good. This can go for hundreds of dollars on those designer website. Awesome, love it. And again, I found this planter from Home Good, and it has this scallop details on it. I love the print, the blueprint on it. Just a little bit of pop of blue. Love it. I place that in the tray. And these ranunculus are awesome. These are gorgeous. Very realistic looking. Look how they're shaking. It's like they're real to the touch, you know. And I found this at Michael's. Gorgeous. They were like 50% off. I grabbed like 5 stems of them. Very beautiful. Love it. And some leaves fell out while I was arranging them. I just dropped them. So they look nice and realistic. All right. And here I just add my Coco Chanel book and this candle wick trimmer. A little bit of silver. Silver is trendy right now, decoration with silver, so I'll add a little bit of pop of silver, and I'll finish up with a candle. And thank you so much for watching. Oh my goodness, I am so happy. It is so bright and cozy, and I love how it turns out. The pop of blue, this is exactly the vibe I was going for in here. I am just in love with everything.
Brick by brick we build the place. Memories friends in every space. Laugh and shout till day is through. Here with me and here with you.